What's going on, guys? It's Shannon from SB88. And today I'm working on this thing, fitting a reversing camera and a dash cam. So this guy got the I think it's called a piezo dash cam. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It's tidy and small, came with an SD card. And then this is the reversing camera. Hey. And that was the monitor. That's the camera up there. Let me climb up. Oh, did you see this? A mobile gym.
Do you want to put?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bench press to show you guys as well. But let me finish showing you the camera install first. Man, this is. So this is the camera that I fitted. Yeah. On the Luton. You got the keys? Let me just show them.
Ah, yeah.
Thank you. Okay. So the dash cam's turned on. And if you look there, you can see my van. And wow, the lighting is bad. The lighting is real bad. But yeah, that's the reversing camera. So I'm gonna put that link to that in the description. Let me go do a quick bench press in this mobile gym. It's a mobile gym, man. Woohoo! I can't wait.
Do you want incline or horizontal? How do you?
Horizontal, because I feel like incline is really hard.
Yeah, it's 85 kilo. Yeah, I don't know if it's yeah, I believe it's too high.
Yeah.
Or
Maybe to come down there.
yeah, just I didn't think about how do you do.
Just over 30. Yeah. Is this 80, yeah?
85.
Woo.
Yeah.
I haven't been there in a while, but let's see what I got there. Oh, this is light, man. Oh.
Got it?
Yeah, man.
No.
Woo.
The one more set I take from you from there. I put yourself even for you. I put it
Yeah?
on the Instagram with your business.
Oh, man. So what do you want to do? One more set?
Yeah, take your
Take a
rest.
break, yeah?
Yeah, the barbell is 6 foot. It's not 7 foot. You know, it's shorter than the in
So
the
it's
gym.
it's not 10.
Sorry,
So how much is the barbell?
it's 15 kilo. So in the gym is 20 kilo.
Yeah.
The barbell. Yes.
Hey. I'll call it that way.
Yeah, very good. It helps. Yeah.
Woo. I love it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do your set, man. It's probably too late for you.
No, it's not too late. I have still the injury, but.
Let me get my phone so I can get 2 shots. 1 second, yeah? Let me get my phone. Yeah. Woo. Oh, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo. And that's it, man. What's your name?
Yeah, Leo.
Leo, the
Trainer
personal
London.
trainer. Yeah? Tell him.
Leo trainer London
Yeah.
for clients at the home gym.
Nice one, Leo. Man, when I came to do the camera and I saw Leo, I said, Leo, you go to the gym. And then I bend the corner and there's a gym. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Thanks, Leo, man.